Hi guys, Bass Play 12, or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's bass cover is going to be Please Come Home for Christmas. I know, it's only September, but it's a really cool Christmas song and I love the bass line to it. It's so cool. It's by the Eagles, but I've tried to play this song for years. Every year I try to upload this, it's always blocked. I try the next year and it's always blocked, and I'm like, I think I did a karaoke version. But thanks to Clemens Wenners music, they did an authentic, it sounds so authentic to the real version. And so I thought, hey, this is a great chance to do that cover and not have it blocked and have you guys be able to see it. So today, I hope you guys enjoy Please Come Home for Christmas by Clemens Wenners music, but it sounds just like the Eagles.
Bells will be ringing.